Hello guys, this is Survival Episode 1 in Marvel single player in 1.4. Also, I can't play High Pixels in 1.14. So, Mexico, if you're watching this, I can't play with you because they trying to fix High Pixels for 1.14. If they don't, then they're going to abandon it, but I don't know for sure. All I know, if you're watching this, Mexico, I'll always remember you, even I can't see you. I'll always be in your heart and spirit, Mexico. Now, let's start this video. Also, I'm building my house right now. They bring in new styles though, that's for sure. And new furnace, I'm guessing. A log smoker. I don't know why they call it like that, but they did. They bring in new dyes. So, a store cutter. Let's see. Here, you don't have to have a stack of this anymore to make stills anymore, like, yeah. Also, if you guys want to play with me, here are the seeds. If you want to play with me, guys, because also, it's sad I can't see much to go. Oh well. Staying strong. And I have heard they bring in foxes. So, I'm guessing that this will be like the last version or something like that. I don't know. But all I know, they trying to fix is for the servers for 1.14. And also, this texture packs is liking me up, so might have to take it off if it's make it even better. I don't know. Also, leave a comment and sometimes and like and hit the like button, whatever you call it. Also, I might put some mods on here later on. So yeah. Or I can go to Technic Launcher, but I can't remember my passcode on my email, so I have to my brother email and passcode, so I have to remake it. We change the passcode and email to my email and my passcode. So yeah. So trying to make this house look good. I'm going to make a factory. What do you call it? What will you call it? You don't know. Ow! Lag! 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 I hate lag! Leak lag! Okay. 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 Yep. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. 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 Yep. Oops. Seen the lag out. See? I hate living lucky. Nicking the goal. Ow, lag. Lag, 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 lag. Lag, 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 lag. Lag. Oh, me laggy. Oh, laggy. Lag, lag, lag. Lag, lag, lag. Lag, lag, lag. Lag! Ugh, I hate lag. Yep, I have to put this texture packs out. Whatever you can say it. Yeah. Trying to make this look good. Also, guys, if you want me to put to play this with custom NPCs, I will. Yep, ouch! Okay. That hurt. That hurt. Yep. I have to change this mod pack when I get out of this world. And I am ending this video right here. So, goodbye guys, and leave a comment and subscribe and leave a hit like in the button right here. Alright. Bye guys.